Why I got call?
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Smoking lah, who are you?
I'm you in 50 years, and I'm here to give you a wake-up call. As a civil engineer, you should help to conserve and create a sustainable environment, but instead, you're helping to destroy it.
One stay only, destroy what?
Do you know how much resources are wasted due to production of tobacco? Let me show you.
Tobacco is a non-sustainable crop as it rapidly deprives the soil of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphor, and potassium, which leads to plants becoming more vulnerable to diseases. This problem is amplified by the fact that tobacco is often grown without crop rotation. 3.8 million hectares of land is used for growing tobacco. That is 54 times the size of Singapore. In addition, 20,000 hectares of forests are cleared to cure and process tobacco for consumption. Did you know that the average person requires 0.07 hectares of land in order to feed them for a year? And thus, the land required to produce tobacco can feed 58 million people for one whole year.
The prolonged cultivation of tobacco will eventually lead to the degradation of fertile land, which could be used for other types of agriculture. Under these circumstances, other plants have no chance of survival and the land becomes unusable in the long run. Tobacco is also one of the crops with the highest erosion rate. Soil erosion means that the ground remains dried out in the long term. Groundwater levels drop and even deeper layers of the earth become affected with time. Cultivation of tobacco requires the logging of vast areas of tropical forests, resulting in the long-term destruction of biological equilibrium.
Wow, is it really that bad? But I don't want to stop smoking.
You don't have to quit smoking, just make sure that the production of tobacco is sustainable.
How do I do that?
The answer is hydroponics.
Hydroponics is a technology used to grow plants in water or in a substratum which supports the roots. The nutrients for the plant's development is given by mineral salts. Hydroponics supports the growth of an ample variety of fruits and vegetables, such as lettuces and tomatoes. At the moment, there is an inadequate implementation of the use of hydroponics due to three main factors. Number one, there is inadequate knowledge of the benefits and the lack of availability of trained technicians with working knowledge, as well as the lack of low-cost nutrient solutions. The use of hydroponics provides many advantages, such as the eradication of weeds and making sowing and harvesting times more regular. In addition, the fruits and vegetables grown using hydroponics has an excellent taste, quality, high biological and nutritional value, as the cultivation can be done with almost no agrotoxics.
Hydroponics is already working in Uruguay, with many farms that have adopted this technique. There are families that are producing at their homes, and there are several social projects on the way. These experiences will have the multiplying effect on common population, with all the advantages that the technique can offer in production, nutrition, etc. Countries like Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, and Chile cultivate with hydroponics since some years ago. They have the advantage of existence of research centers and universities where hydroponics is being tested. It will therefore be vital for the future that the research institutions in Uruguay may contribute to the betterment of the hydroponic technology, in order that it may still be better adapted to the country conditions, and so it will be better applied.
So are you saying that I can grow tobacco through hydroponics?
Yes,
Wow, this way I can still sustain my habit of smoking in the environment.
that's right.
From now on, I will not smoke cigarettes that are not produced sustainably.
Yes.